Hello. Today let's talk about my black fly attack. A black fly or blackfly, sometimes called as a buffalo gnat, turkey gnat, or white sox, is any member of the family Simuliidae of the Culicomorpha infraorder. It is related to the Ceratopogonidae and Thaumaleidae. Over 2,300 species of black flies have been formally named, of which 15 are extinct. They are divided into two subfamilies. Parasimuliinae contains only one genus and 4 species. The most black flies gain nourishment by feeding on the blood of mammals, including humans, as you can see. Although the males feed mainly on nectar, they are usually small, black or gray with short legs and antennae. They are a common nuisance for humans, and many United States have programs to suppress the blackfly population. But if you are going to be beaten by this, in these black flies, you will get some problems. It's not so healthy risky, of course, but it is really harmful. Your feet will be swollen double, as you can see, and it will gives you a little bit or a bit more pain, most at the evening. And a good thing to fight against it is to keep it cool. Only 4 genera in this family of Simuliidae contain species that feed on people. Through other species prefer to feed on other mammals or on birds. And mature adults can disperse tens or hundreds of miles from their breeding grounds in fresh flowing water under their own power and sustained by prevailing winds. Bites are shallow and accomplished by first stretching the skin and using the teeth on the labrum and then abrading it with the maxill and mandibles, cutting the skin and rupturing the fine capillaries. Feeding is facilitated by a powerful anticoagulant in the fly's saliva, which also partially numbs the site of the bite, reducing the host's awareness of being bitten and thereby extended the fly's feeding time. Biting flies feed during daily hours only and tend to zero in on areas of thinner skin, such as the nape of the neck or ears or ankles. If you have this, take 1 week of chilling, and after this, it will be weird. Will be normally again. It's a hard time for you, but you can handle this. It is not so hard, but you can do this. If you was beaten by a black fly, keep cool, and it will be better. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.